Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other base website. The website name is SpeedSatoshi Litecoin, and you can earn Litecoin from this website, and this website link available in description. This is total users and total withdrawal. This is very low withdrawal because a lot of people come here work and they didn't reach the minimum amount, and some of these reach it. Okay, just work honestly, you can reach. The first one is the register. You can register yourself from here, and you can click here, you can log in yourself from here. Okay, I have account already, I log in myself. Okay, you can earn manually from the multiple ways. The first one is the Faucet. You can claim your Faucet and you can earn your BTC. Okay, this website have a lot of advertisement about that. Sometimes they reload. If your internet is very fast, they didn't show you any advertisement. Okay, this is the Faucet you can claim, and the next one is the bonus. You can claim your bonus every day. You come here and you can claim your bonus. Okay, this is all about the bonus. This much bonus BTC you can earn every day if you complete this all. Okay, and the next one is the game. You can play game and you can earn much more from the playing game. And the next one is the short links. Short links is one of the top and highest payment from this website. Okay, this is the all available short links. If you complete this short link, pay 2 XP and this much Litecoin, and this is the all available short links you can earn. And from here you can see this is very high payment short links available in this website. Okay, and some of these 3 times you can claim, and some of these 1 time you can claim. This is all about the short links. Okay, the next one is just watching advertisement. Just click and you can just watch ads, and you can earn from the just watching ads. If you watch this ads for 10 seconds, you can earn this much Litecoin. Okay, and this is all available ads you can just watch, and you can earn from this ads. Okay, and the next one is the mine. You can claim from the mining. If you download the mining webs in the mining app, you can earn much more. Okay, if you don't download this one will be don't reach your amount, it didn't pay you much more. The next one is offerwall. Offerwall pay you some Satoshi of Bitcoin to complete some offers and just download some ads. If you reward complete this offer, and if you come down, I show you some ads. A lot of people just downloading ads, and they will be earn much more from the downloading ads. Okay, this is ads. Okay, reach the level 80, they pay you this much BTC. Okay, this is phone and tablet, a lot of these for Android, and the next one is this is for iPhone. Okay, the iPhone, iPad, lot of people have iPhone, iPad, they can install these games. Okay, and they will be earn much more from these games. And the next one is a referral link. Now if you referral your people, your friends, you can earn 50% of the referral. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description if you want to earn. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, bye bye for now.